Hello, guys. Welcome back. So, if you've just got a consumer cellular flip phone and you're ready to set it up, you might be wondering where to begin, especially if you're used to smartphones. Flip phones follow a simpler setup process, but the steps can still feel unfamiliar if you don't know the exact order. From inserting the SIM card to activating the service and adjusting basic settings, everything needs to be done correctly to get the phone working smoothly. The good thing is that once you understand the setup process, it only takes a few minutes to get everything ready. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to set up your consumer cellular flip phone quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Insert the SIM card into the phone properly. Step 2. Insert and charge the battery fully. Step 3. Turn on the phone using the power button. Step 4. Wait for the phone to connect to the network. Step 5. Set up basic settings like date, time, and language. Step 6. Make a test call to confirm the phone is working.